Hi, in this lesson I will teach you how to make questions in simple present tense. There are two ways of making questions in simple present tense. The first one is a question beginning with do verb and the second one is a question beginning with WH words. Okay, let's see the first way of making question. A question beginning with do verb means do or does. Okay, most of the sentences have two verbs, main verb and the helping verb. Okay, let us check it in the example. I pay the fee every month. In this sentence, you might be saying, I only see one verb in the sentence, that is pay. Here the verb pay is the base form of the verb and it is the main verb. If it is the main verb, then where is the helping verb? Normally when we speak, we don't say the helping verb, but it is still there. Different tenses have different helping verbs, but you remember that for the simple present tense, the helping verb is do. Then the sentence is, I do pay the fee every month. To make it question, we need to bring the helping verb do out of its hiding place to the beginning of the sentence. Then we get the question, do I pay the fee every month? Like this we can frame some questions like, do we pay the fee every month? Do you pay the fee every month? Does he pay the fee every month? Does she pay the fee every month? Like this. Here we have the structure for making questions in simple present tense. Do or does, and then subject, and then base form of the verb, and then object. By using the above structure, let's try to make some questions. We have the subjects like I, we, you. For the subjects like I, we, you, we just put the helping verb in front of the subject. Then the questions begin like do I, do we, do you, like this. Then we have the subjects he, she, it. When it comes to the simple present tense, if the subject is third person singular like he, she, it, we must add s or es to the verb. In making question, we must add es to the helping verb do. Then we have does. Then the questions start like does he, does she, does it, like this. Next we have the subject they. They is the plural subject. The question starts as do they, like this. Next we have the subject as name like Amruta. The subject Amruta is third person singular, hence the question starts as does Amruta. Okay, let's complete all the questions by adding the remaining sentence. Do I pay the fee every month? Do we pay the fee every month? Do you pay the fee every month? Does he pay the fee every month? Does she pay the fee every month? Does it pay the fee every month? Do they pay the fee every month? Does Amruta pay the fee every month? Like this. Remember that we use do or does for all the verbs except the verb to be means a verbs like am, is, or. In making the questions with am, is, or, we invert the subject and verb. If we have the subject and verbs like I am, we should invert them as am I. If we have we are, we should invert them as are we. If we have you are, we invert them as are you. If we have the subject and verbs like he is, she is, it is, then we should invert them as is he, is she, is it, like this. Let's take some examples. Am I a teacher? Are we the members? Are you the principal? Is he a doctor? Is she an engineer? Is the train late? Such type of questions to be started with verbs like am, is, or in making questions in simple present tense. Okay, now we go for the second way of making questions in simple present tense. A question beginning with WH words. Here we have 6 different question words. What, where, when, why, who and how. We have what for information, where for the location, when for the time, why for the reason, who for the person and how for explanation. Here we have the structure for making questions in simple present tense beginning with WH words. First you take the WH word and then do or does and then subject and then base form of the verb verb1 and then object. Okay, let's see some examples. What do you want? This question starts with WH word and it needs an information. So we can give the answer like I want a pen, I want a mobile, etc. Okay, the next one, where does he go? This question also starts with WH word and it needs a location he goes. So we can give the answer like he goes to school, he goes to his village, like this. Okay, the next one, when do they come? This question needs time they come. So we can give the answer like they come at 5 o'clock, they come in the evening, like this. Okay, next question, why do we go there? This question needs reason, so we can give the answer like we go there to meet them. And the next question, who does she look like? This question needs person she looks like, so we can give the answer like she looks like her mother. And the next question, how does she come? This question also starts with WH word and this question asks us an explanation, so we can give the answer like she comes by bus. Okay, if you observe all the above questions, all the questions start with WH word and followed by do or does. So in simple present tense we can make questions like this. Thank you.